Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे sound question 26 to question 30. Let's start. The diagram shows a loudspeaker that is producing a continuous sound wave of frequency 200 Hz in air. Which diagram shows how the sound wave causes a molecule at p to move during 1/200th of a second? अच्छा, sound wave is a longitudinal wave. और longitudinal wave में the particles vibrate the particles vibrate parallel to the wave की जो direction है. It moves parallel to the direction of the wave, right? So it will move आगे पीछे. That means it is A. Question 27. Which frequency is in the range heard by a healthy human ear? Healthy human ear can hear anywhere from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So which one is in 20 to 20,000 hertz? A. No, it is 12 millihertz, which is very low. 12 hertz. B. 12 hertz. It is below the 20 hertz mark, so no. 12,000 hertz. It is the right answer because 12,000 hertz come between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz. So yeah. Question 28. What is one of the uses of ultrasound? Ultrasound के तीन uses mainly तीन uses होते हैं. वो कैंसरस आई मीन नॉट कैंसरस माय बैड नेटल प्रीनेटल स्कैनिंग करता है. वो जो बच्चों की अल्ट्रासाउंड नहीं होती वो इसी वजह से होती है, इसी से होती है, राइट? दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट. ज्वेलरी क्लीनिंग के लिए होता है और उसके बाद कोई क्रैक्स या कोई क्रेविसेस हो तो उनको भी चेक करता है. सो ए इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन 29. व्हाट इज द अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू फॉर speed of light divided by speed of air? Speed of light is approximately 300 million. So I think the answer would be C, but let's see. 300 million divided by speed of sound in air, which will be approximately 300 ही लगा लेते हैं just to make it a even. वो मतलब 10 का multiple बना लेते हैं. That would leave us with 110 raised to the power of 6, which is 1 million. Yeah, let's check 29. C. C is the right answer. Yes. What question 30? What are the lowest frequency and what and the highest frequency of the sound that a human being with normal ears can hear? A very simple question. 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. You can also remember the ratio, which is 1 to 2000. 1 to 1000. Sorry, 1 to 1000. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.